Welcome back everyone with a new video. Today I will explain for you guys more about the boats. So first, when you move to the boats page, if you cannot find the word that you play in, for example now I play in 54 and I cannot find it in here, so I go to setting user game, I click search to add a new word, and then added new word if you have it. Okay, I go back to boats. And of course, excuse my bad internet connection because the internet at my house is a bit slow. So yeah, sorry about that, guys. So as you can see, word 54 have been added. So first thing you need to know is run premium and run no premium. So if you use the premium, you have to run it on premium. Let me show you how do you guys do that. Login browser light. Well, this is my account in the US. I have a premium active. Premium active means this one, premium account. If I have this one active, then I use run premium. If I don't have it active, then I use run no premium. Of course, not everything or every bot over here works without premium, so the best is to use run premium. So I'm gonna click save. I'm gonna click OK. So if I go now to any boat to use it or to add a village or something, I cannot find the village. It's because I haven't like it's the first time I run the boat on my account, so I need to wait like for example 30 seconds or 1 minute for example, and then I will find every village I have in here. So now I have waited at least like 30 seconds. Let me like reload the page. And now when I reload the page, I will find all the, let's say, the groups or villages that I have, so I can add even farming, auto building, or auto smith, tech upgrade, or auto mentor. So as you can see now, I have run premium, I have clicked save. Over here you have like ready template you can use, but you can add just your own template. It's a lot better. So let's say I wanna use like farm bot assistant. First I click on run. I add a template, for example LC, say LC2, add. Now as you can see here all the features that I can use. Let me go back to my account. Do I have a farming assistant? Okay, I don't have, so I need to purchase a farming assistant first. Let me activate one for us. Now I have a farming assistant ready and working. Perfect. Let me cancel these ones because I only use LC for farming. I can also choose my method here, but it's no difference because anyway you have all the filters in our website. So everything is ready. The loot assistant, you can choose the template A, like template A, this one. You can choose it from our website, but template B you can only write it here. So for example, let me say I want to farm in template B with axe. Let's say let's add for example 15 axe. Let's click on save. I gotta add A first. Okay, perfect. Let me add 2LC. Sorry, 2LC, and then I will add the 15 axe for B. Perfect. After I have added these two, now I can go back to the website. Just here. Okay, perfect. This run is for the same template that you use. So for example, if we write here 100 HV heavy cavalry and click add, it's off. This one is on. So at the moment you cannot use two template. You can only use one template, so I'm gonna delete this one. I do not wanna confuse you guys. So we have here is the amount of LC you wanna keep inside the village. So for example, how many LC do I have? I have 66 LC. So I wanna keep, let's say, 60 and use only 6 from them. So I just write here 60. how much is the repeating time, like how many minutes between every attack and attack to the same village. Let's say I want to keep it like 10 minutes. What is the distance? Let's say 20 field is max for me, I don't want to use any more. Over here, like we said, you can use template A if you add, for example, 3LC, but we actually added in the game here, we added 2, it will change it automatically. So let's try this now. 3LC, I'm gonna use B as well, A and B at the same time. Okay, perfect. Everything, the wall, let's say I wanna attack only walls with 0, I don't wanna attack walls of 1. Of course you need to use spy so you can like know how much walls the barbers actually have, but that's fine. I'm just gonna use 0 anyway, because if it's green it will keep sending, if it's yellow then it will send spy to it. I will explain that more now. So let's say now we have everything ready to farm with LC and to farm also with B. Let me click on save, and now it should start farming for us, and will keep 60 light for us. Let me see, Bonma. Okay, it already started, so now we have 60 in the village. It will not use it, and it changed to B. How many did it send? It sends 3 LC, not 2 like we had it, so that's perfect. It works as it's supposed to be. As you can see, it didn't use the axe yet, it only used the LC. Even if we do not have any barber in the page, so that's fine. It actually knows how many barbers around you and the distance and everything. So let me cancel them like that. We go back to our page. Let's say I want to use more than that. I want to keep 40 for me, and I don't want to use B. And let's click on save again. Perfect. Now it should use more than that. Now it will start sending like more than 20 light, and it will keep for us only 40 LC in the village. As you can see, it already started sending. Did it send any more? Perfect. It will keep 39 for us in the village. As you can see, it's all sending to the village close to us in the same distance that we added. It will not attack over here because it's not included in the distance. So for the farming bot, everything works correctly, everything works perfectly. The next attack will go after 10 minutes, so the difference between every attack and attack will be 10 minutes as we add it in the filter. Basically that's everything about the farming bot. I don't know if I need to tell you guys anything more about this, but yeah, basically that's it. Of course, if you want to stop one village, and you can also here use the group, but right now use only all. If you want to stop a specific village from farming because you want to use it for something else, you go all the way down. You have exception village, no boat. You click over here, select Ponma, add. You keep the boats that you want to keep it running like this. For example, I want to keep everything running except scavenging and loot assistance, so I keep them off. Click save and it will add it like this. So stop boats, farm boat assistant, mass scavenger. Basically that's it for the farming. I will get back to you guys with another video explaining more about other boats. Okay, let me guys also explain really quick the what is called find new barbers and barb wall buster. So this one you need always to keep the same distance as your farming filter, like 20 field here and 20 field there. You click on run. If a village comes with a red report or a yellow report, it will send spy to it to find out how much is the wall. And if you also run this one, barb wall buster, you can just click on run, same distance as well. It will send what's called rams with axe and LC to destroy the wall, so you can like farm freely without any losses. This one is not so important, so you can just leave it out. It's not actually, we didn't actually activate it because right now with our last update, the boat already knows how much is the wall and it can automatically send rams to the wall, so destroy it. So that's all for the farming bot assistant with find new barbers and barb wall buster with the exception village. Thank you guys, and I hope the explanation was good enough.